Let me reshare. Okay. Eh, hmm. Okay, we're back. Okay, sorry about that. But again, going back to the question, why connectivity matters for global expansion? Diba? When we talk about strong connectivity, it means faster responses, smoother coordination, better customer service, and ultimately, more customer trust. Kasi sa totoo lang, kahit gaano kaganda yung produkto mo, almost perfect. Pero kung hindi ka naman makontak, hindi ka ma-reach ng mga client mo, mahihirapan ka to win their trust. So that's why connectivity serve as your digital backbone. And right now, it's not just a technical need. It's actually a business essential. Okay? So, now, let's talk about naman broadband. Okay? Because every online business, mapamalaki man yan or maliit, very dependent sila sa connectivity. Broadband is your foundation to ensure smooth operations. Lahat ng ginagawa natin online, tulad ng nabanggit ni na Ana and Mel kanina, dumadaan yan sa connectivity ninyo. Like what? Video calls with partners or clients abroad, managing your e-commerce platforms, cloud-based inventory, handling online payments, shipments, and even the day-to-day communication with your team. So, if your internet is slow or unreliable, as a business owner, you lose time na agad. And downtime is costly. Alam nating lahat yan. Kasi in global business, time is money. Tama? Okay, let me share a quick story lang. Recently lang, I think 2 months ago, I visited Pampanga. We had an immersion there and field work. Meron akong SME owner na nakausap who runs a small furniture in Pampanga. She started selling locally, then eventually expanded in Singapore and Dubai. Pero, nakwento nga niya, hindi naging madali nung nag-uumpisa siya. Kasi, ang daming problema. Like, video calls with international clients, paputol-putol, napapahiya siya talaga. And dumating pa sa point na they lost a potential deal because ang pangit ng connectivity niya. So, she decided to upgrade to a business-grade broadband plan. Ngayon, super happy na siya kasi excited nga siya sabihin sa akin na I have Glow Business Broadband na it's very stable, mabilis, and secure yung connectivity. And now, she already handles multiple overseas clients, even expanded her market through online trade fairs. So, that's the difference when you treat internet not as an expense, but rather an investment. Actually, broadband is not a luxury at all because it's the foundation that supports everything your business does online. Okay? So, one part ng connectivity is broadband. Now, let's talk about mobility naman. Your ability to stay connected even when you're on the move. Kasi for small business owners like you and like me, hindi natatapos yung trabaho when we leave the office. Sometimes you're out meeting suppliers, visiting partners, or even traveling abroad. That's why having a business mobile plan is a must. It means you can communicate professionally, anytime, anywhere, without worrying about losing a signal or searching for Wi-Fi. Kasi imagine this, baliktarin naman natin. You're at a trade show abroad and a client from home messages you about an urgent deal. And because you're connected, you can reply immediately. And just like that, you've closed another sale. That's the power of being connected wherever you are. And here's something many SMEs don't realize. Professional communication creates professional perception. When clients see you that your business number, your email, your system all look organized and reliable, they see you as credible. And in global business, credibility open doors. Kasi ngayon halos lahat ng essential business tools natin like Zoom, Google Workspace, and iba pa, naka-cloud na yan. Pero kung hindi stable ang mobile connection nyo, maaapektuhan yung productivity ng mga tao nyo, ng operation nyo. Like your meeting, maglalag. Yung file upload, hindi magtutuloy-tuloy. So nawawala yung real-time collaboration. With a strong and stable mobile plan, your team can collaborate seamlessly, share large file with ease, and manage project efficiently kahit saan sila nagtatrabaho. And one more thing, ang business grade mobile plan, hindi lang yan nagbibigay ng mas professional na look or image sa harap ng mga clients. Kundi nagbibigay din to ng advanced security feature para protektahan yung mga sensitive business and customer data, especially if you're gonna be dealing with global clients. This is very important in building trust and ensuring operational continuity, lalo na sa panahon natin ngayon ng digital transformation. Okay. Now, how connectivity enables global operations? Let's take it a step further. Simple lang, 'di ba? How exactly does connectivity make your global operations possible? Connectivity makes your business move like a one global team. With the right broadband and mobile solutions, you can coordinate in real time with suppliers and distributors abroad. You can provide customer support across different time zones. And you can integrate tools like cloud storage, payment platforms, and logistic systems. This what allows your business to function seamlessly, even across continents. So we can see here that connectivity builds efficiency. No more waiting days of updates. No more late responses or, sorry, mahina yung signal ko, hindi maka-push through. Everything flows smoothly from your operations to your customer service, which is very important. Because with strong and right connectivity, your systems are connected, your people are connected, and most importantly, you as the business owner, you are connected. Okay? So, we talked about broadband, mobile, digital tools. Let me give some simple but powerful tips to strengthen your connectivity strategy as SMEs. First, invest in the right connectivity. If you're serious about growing your business, go for a business grade broadband plan. It's built for reliability and security. Things that hindi mo parating makukuha if naka-personal plan ka. Kasi totally different talaga yung offering kapag business and pag individual user. Business plans provide essential value adds that help run your physical businesses and offices. Like in Glow Business, we offer free CCTV for security and Wi-Fi mesh system for better coverage across your office or stores. So this dedicated equipment and support offer far more stability than any of the consumer plan. So that's one. Second, choose a plan that grows with you. Huwag ka lang kumuha ng dahil sa kung ano lang yung need mo ngayon. Kasi definitely by tomorrow, a month from now, a year from now, your need will be different. So pick a provider and a plan that's scalable, meaning flexible to adjust as your business expands. 'Di ba? As you hire more staff, open a new e-commerce channel, or start traveling abroad, your connectivity needs to be able to instantly accommodate that growth. So look for flexible packages. Okay. Third, um, bundle your tools. Yes, I would suggest you combine your broadband, your mobile plan, and communication tools to maximize efficiency. Kasi come to think of it, if you're going to be managing 5 different providers for your internet, for your mobile, for your email, for your video, it's going to be complicated and costly at the same time. So look for integrated solutions that put everything on one bill with one point of contact. So it's going to be simpler, more efficient, and more cost effective. Okay. Then lastly, pero makikita mo sa screen, it's security first. Well, for most of the small businesses, hindi pa natin to fino-focus sa ngayon. We don't heavily focus on this one. Pero I would greatly suggest always put security first. When you transact globally, you handle sensitive data. And a good business grade connection should offer robust, built-in security to protect your network, your customers' data, and your peace of mind. So, to my small business owners here, always remember that when you invest in the right connection, you're not just paying for speed, you're investing in consistency, reliability, credibility, and security. Okay, so let's bring it all together. I think this is my last slide. Our key takeaway: your connection isn't just a Wi-Fi or data. It's your lifeline to the world. When you have a strong broadband and reliable mobile and digital tools, you're gonna build bridges to customers in other countries, collaborating with suppliers thousands of miles away, and creating opportunities that go beyond borders. And yun yung kagandahan ng world natin now. Technology has leveled up the playing field. You don't have to be big corporation to think big and compete big. Even small business like ours, with the right tools, right mindset, and right connection, you can dream bigger, move faster, and compete confidently on the global stage. So, as you continue your business journey, remember this. Let's end with this powerful thought. Stay connected, and the world will stay within your reach. So there, maraming salamat po. And again, congratulations to all the SMEs here, business owners. You are proof that passion, drive, and right connection can turn local dreams into global stories and success. And always remember that Globe Business is ready to partner with you anytime. Actually, on the screen, you'll see how Globe Business Team can help you with a free consultation. We are ready to build that foundational link and take your business into the world. Marami pong salamat.
Thank you so much, Miss Heidi, our final speaker of the day. Don't you worry, guys. We're going to hear from her a little bit more shortly, but great points there as well. I think that I predicted it correctly. It was a nice way to tie up very neatly our topics for the day, no? Especially her line that connectivity is your lifeline to the world. I think that was a really succinct point that we can rally around, that you're already reaching an international market. Sana naman matching na yung connectivity mo, because as she says, downtime can be very costly, and we don't want to lose out on our opportunities if our connectivity hasn't kept up with our growth.